So folks, tayo po ay magha-hiking na. And guys, maraming taong nagpupunta dito. And I'll show you something. May isang waterfalls na dumadaan dyan pababa at nagka-carve na sa rocks. There you go.
Walk through here and out into this, and there's other falls. So we're here. I'm going to show you here. There's
the systems of water that goes through the water of Nevis.
so this is Ben Nevis. That one? Or that one? That one.
That must be the one there.
Water coming down.
Yeah. So come on, let's go ahead. So folks, I will just show you around pagdating po namin sa waterfall. Itong mga bundok na ito guys ay na-form siya millions of years ago. And it's very fascinating. Ayan po. Kasi kung makikita nyo, puro lang siya bato, wala siyang kahoy. Kung may mga kahoy man, nandito lang sa baba at ilan-ilan lang. Ayan po. So, what can you say that, about Ben Nevis?
What have you already said? It's the tallest mountain in the UK. It's a beautiful part of the countryside.
Mm. And munti ko makalimutang ma-mention guys, Ben Nevis is a remnant of an old volcano. And the gorge was formed when it erupted and the magma flowed down into the valley. And kung makikita niyo yung bato dito, tingnan, ang surface ay meron siyang an even texture, and it shows you yung either ice or water ang nagfo-flow nito, kaya nagfo-form siya ng texture, and it goes from right to the left. Yan po. So, in a few minutes folks, kapag na-reach na namin yung waterfall, yung another waterfall dito, we'll see you then. So, folks, kung makikita nyo, meron ng ilog doon. Doon tayo papunta. There are my waterfalls doon. Ang Ben Nevis is 1,330 meters. And so, me and my husband's not trained to climb up the Ben Nevis. So dito lang muna kami sa baba sa gorge. Nice. So David, how is the gorge formed?
Ice. Passing sheet.
And it carved to the rocks.
Carved the gorge, and then latterly the water that you can hear.
Ito guys, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang din. Naaalala ko nung kabataan ko, meron kaming farm ng abaka sa malayong malayo. Ganito rin siya. Ang kaibahan lang, mga tao dito, pupunta sila sa ganitong lugar para mag-de-stress at mag-explore ng mga lugar as a tourist. Sa Pilipinas, pag umaakyat ka ng bundok, pupunta ka para magsaka, mag-farm. So yan guys, yan. Medyo uneven na yung terrain dito guys, so yan. So guys, galing kami doon. Umikot kami dito. Ano yung mga bundok. At yung maririnig nyo, may tubig dyan sa baba. At maraming tubig ang umaagos dito. Galing sa bundok. Magtataka kung paano sila naipon samantalang yung mga bundok yung nasa taas talaga. Walang kakahoy-kahoy. Ayan guys, it's a more nicer, clearer view in here. So itong area na to, parang nasa Pinas ka lang din, except napakalamig talaga. Ngayong araw na to, it's about what today, 8 degrees today?
Yeah.
8 degrees. So imagine kung anong itsura nito 800 million years ago nung it's still covered in ice. This is what we call the gorge. Yan yung nakarve kung saan dumadaloy ang ice noong nagmelt ang glacier. So, folks, malapit na tayo sa waterfalls. Yan. After maglakad ng ilang minuto, so ito yung paligid niya guys dito. Bali halos mga kalahating oras din yung nilakad namin mula sa parking area. At ito na. Maraming taong naglalakad today guys kasi although malamig siya, wala namang ulan at may araw din. Very peaceful. Very beautiful, finest in nature's beauty. Sa ilog nila dito guys, wala naglalaba ha. Kasi sobrang lamig ng tubig. Yan. So let's keep walking.
Probably Ben Nevis.
At the back of us.
Back. The back of the back. So the one that's getting covered in cloud. That's probably Ben. That'll be Ben Nevis.
It's windy, guys. And that's the waterfall that I've showed you first time.
That's where the car's parked. Under that.
So this area, folks, during the winter time, covered talaga siya ng snow. And tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda yung waterfall na yan. And it's carved through the rocks. And it's probably been there for millions of years. It's fascinating how Earth is formed and changes throughout the years. And it's windy. Hello. Morning. The rocks, guys, with which the waterfalls is flowing are granite or granite. So there's a bridge there that you have to cross to get closer to the waterfall. So we're very much closer now sa waterfall po. And then diyan, guys, there's a roof bridge na kailangan mong dumaan para makatawid dun sa kabila. And at the moment may queue. So guys, malayo-layo man yung lakarin mo, it's worth it. Talagang napakaganda dito. May nag-iisang house lang dyan. It's called a pati. In case you are walking at naabutan kayo ng dilim dito, pwede kayo mag-stay dyan for the night. Para lang safe kayo from the elements. Kasi I think dito sa area na to tuwing gabi, lalo na sa winter, nagda-drop siya ng below zero ang temperature. So folks, this is Yolo. Thank you for coming with us, and please do subscribe to my channel.